20, 30, 40 years ago, doctors that didn't really believe in vitamins would still take vitamin C. Vitamin C has a very long history of beneficial use. It has been documented to shorten colds and symptoms as well as length of colds and flu. It supports the overall immune function. It helps build connective tissue, so it makes your skin look younger. It helps with cellulite. Vitamin C is a stress vitamin. Taken in high doses, it's good for pain. It goes on and on and on. Symmetry's Botana C is a mixture of two forms of vitamin C, and it's a 5-to-1 ratio with bioflavonoids. Bioflavonoids are essential for the absorption and utilization of vitamin C in the body. Most products just give you ascorbic acid. We're giving you the bioflavonoids that are necessary to make sure the vitamin C is going to be used in the body. And the bioflavonoids themselves have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. So we're talking about something really important. If you look at our vitamin C, you'll see that it's pink. And this is because the vitamin C is in a base of superfoods or herbs. And cranberry is one of them. And that gives it its pink color, but of course this is also something that's very good for urogenital tract infections, bladder infections. It makes it so that the bacteria can't stick to the bladder wall. That's the cranberry. The vitamin C makes the urine more acidic, and that makes it so that bacteria can't live in the urine. And so it's something really important for many men and women to make sure that they're taking for their urogenital health, but pretty much impacts everything in you every day. Symmetry's Botana C.